Hey guys, long time no see. How are you guys doing? I'm doing great. I know you've been wondering what's going on. Why haven't you been uploading? And to be honest, a couple months ago, I was in a car accident. So I've been recovering from that, and then now yesterday, I actually got some pretty big news. I bought a new project car. Yes, I did it again. So, this is the car that I'm talking about. It's a pretty basic, really nothing too special, just an E46. Pretty good shape. It's an 05, done 200,000 kilometers, so that's not a whole lot. So yeah, let me give you guys a tour. We'll start with the interior. Let's jump in. Here we have it. Oh fuck. Now, this interior is one of my favorite parts of the car. It's black on black, got the half skin, part skin, I don't know what it's called. Half skin, half cloth. They look really good. The sport seats up front, and I don't know if there are sport seats in the back. Just regular seats, I guess. Along with the black interior, the black headliner. This looks awesome in my opinion. I don't have it in the E90 unfortunately, but I am gonna be fixing that. So just jumping in here and it's all black. It's so nice. Now, one thing I am gonna change, I think today, maybe tomorrow, is the steering wheel. I have an M Sport laying around, so I'm gonna get to installing that as soon as possible, because this it's not really nice to look at or to drive with. And the same goes for the shift knob. I have a new one of those laying, and then cup holders and whatnot, a little bit of small stuff just to get installed. And it's gonna be really nice, I think. So now let's move on to the exterior. So first off, it's pretty nice exterior. I mean, the paint's in pretty good shape. Doesn't have a whole lot of rust. It's got two rust spots. One of them's there, and then one on the other side where the gas cap is. Now, the thing that sticks out to me like a sore thumb are these rims. They look horrible. So I got some 17-inch I'm gonna throw on there and then run those for a bit, and after that I may go even bigger. But I don't have any bigger right now. So as you can see, pretty clean. Facelifted 320i. So I got the M54 B22. Here you can see a bit more rust. But more than that, missing a piece there as well. But yeah, it's not horrible. And then it's charging for the moment. But I got some black kidneys to go with it. I got mirror caps, an M Sport rear bumper, CSL style spoiler, side skirts, front, everything's going on there. And then I'm thinking about wrapping this white, because that would look awesome. Awesome. That would look awesome in my opinion. So let me know what you guys think of that. Now I'm gonna build a custom body kit as well out of metal, and that's gonna be black. And I would like to paint the calipers and install the V-brace and all that, which is blue. So it'll be white car, black parts, rims, kidneys, all that, and then blue details. I think that'll be pretty nice. Now, this is the engine bay. Nothing special. Today I installed a sport filter along with new silicone piping for the intake, because the old ones, they were dry rotted, and one of them, this tube right here, you can't really see it that well, but that was completely off. So I just went ahead and replaced the whole thing. More than that, I need to do the cooling pipes and check the whole cooling system, so I know all is good there. More than that, there's really not much going on up here. Pretty simple. It's a straight 6 though. Gotta have the 6 when you have the BMW. Now, stuff I need to fix at the moment. it's got a welded diff. So that's not nice. That is the major complaint I have about this car. I thought it wasn't gonna be that bad, but guys, it's that bad. So gonna change it out to a regular 338. And along with that diff, I also have to do some stuff for the inspection as well as service. So I need to, for example, build an exhaust. It doesn't have anything behind the rear axle at the moment. And stuff like that. And then I'm also gonna do service. I've already done the spark plugs and intake pipes, as you saw. So I'm gonna change the oil, coolant, a bit of that. That's it for this time. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I am actually looking forward to this project. I don't like the car the way it is now, so I want to change everything. And if I'm honest, if this isn't as much interest to you guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix the car and then sell it for profit. So we'll see what happens. Hopefully you guys like the video. So if you do, comment, subscribe, you know, like it, all that shit. But so yeah, hopefully a lot more future videos coming on this thing. And then I also got a lot of modifications to do on the E90. So until next time, take care guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you soon.
What do you see?